Okay, I'm Marco. I'm currently postdoc at DTU Nanotech, and together with Robert and Philo, we started Blue Sense Diagnostics. That is a startup company that aims to develop a novel, low-cost blood analyzer, making a blood analysis for diabetes cheap and affordable for everyone. With our idea, we really combine some very sophisticated nanotechnology with something really simple and existing as the Blu-ray player. And yeah, our motivation is really to bring such a cheap technology really directly to people that need it, especially diabetes patient in emerging countries.
These manufacturers are looking for new markets, and that's where we can provide them an easy way to make the transition from a dying technology to a really emerging technology. How the process works is you come to your pharmacy or physician, he takes a drop of blood from your finger, puts it in the CD, and then puts the CD in our reader and just pushes play, and 15 minutes later you get your results.
That's really as easy as listening to your favorite song. In the end, Blue Sense Diagnostic will allow an affordable healthcare to everyone based on a simple, scalable, and low-cost technology.
We're from COVID, and we're fighting dental anxiety using mobile technology.
So our product is a non-invasive, effective tool that implements cognitive behavioral therapy on a mobile device. And we use this mobile device to give to the patient, implementing a series of short exercises for the patient to do at home or at the clinic before they come to their dental visit to help them calm down and cope with their anxiety.
Existing solutions today are most of them really expensive for the patient. So the solution we're actually providing is a subscription-based solution to the dentist. So dental practice pays a subscription to COVID, and then they can actually offer our product to all the patients that they have.
What the COVID system also does is that after the patient has put themselves in the chair and I have been communicating with them, we have a sensor system that's like a watch that we wrap around their wrist, and it gives me a live surveillance of the physical stress in the patient's body. And in that way we will be able to treat the patient without reaching in the higher yellow or red levels of stress.
Yeah, so what COVID does is that we take existing methodologies and package that into a very effective mobile solution to fight dental fear.
I'm Eric. I'm representing MGM Bio together with my teammates Alex, Stephanie, and Nicholas. MGM Bio focuses on finding new molecules to target viruses, in particular HIV and rhinovirus.
The cool thing about this idea is that we developed this technology by taking some soil from all around it could be. There are a lot of bacteriums in soil that we can actually exploit, extracting DNA, put into a new organism, and then figure out if there are some kind of molecules that we can actually target these different kinds of viruses.
The motivation behind our idea is that we can relatively easy and without a lot of money generate a lot of compounds that will supply the pipelines of the pharmaceutical companies. We already know from other investigations that soil contains a lot of interesting new genes. For example, novel antibiotics were already found in the soil. So we think that soil is a very promising source for our antiviral molecules.
There's basically unlimited sources of compounds in these soil samples that has not been touched upon before by big pharmaceutical companies. So this is a gold mine of compounds.
MGM Bio develops a novel approach to drug discovery and uses natural samples to identify potential candidates for treating challenging therapeutic areas and more specifically viral diseases.